Arepo Vision, hey, I like Arepo Vision, bro. I like them. I'm definitely finna spend some more bread with them. Los Angeles Archive will be dropping today or tonight.
Let me get a dough.
Real quick, man, just hitting y'all with some news, bro. If you're still interested, I don't know, y'all might be tired of these motherfuckers at this point. I don't know how much longer I got, neither. I got other content that just should be happening. But yeah, man, Los Angeles Archive will be dropping today or tonight. I don't know what's up with the weird drop times, bro. They've been on some weird drop times. They like, first of all, the Sunday drop was weird. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but I don't ever remember them dropping on a Sunday. I like it though, cause my package will be here tomorrow, Friday. So yeah, I'm cool with that. I'll take it. Maybe that's what they doing. Maybe they trying to change the drop days so that the shipping times can be, you know what I'm saying, earlier in the week. That way people can have their packages towards the end of the week. I don't know. But they will be dropping tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern time, 5 p.m. Pacific. I don't know. It's just dropping it random now. It usually be like Wednesday or Thursday, 3 p.m. type. I don't know. Nonetheless, they are dropping. They have not said what they will be dropping though. That's the interesting part. I'm assuming they just finna, cause I think at this point, they out of ideas. What else they got? I think at this point what they doing is they just running it all back. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty sure this would be a run back or something else. We'll probably see probably some more Dove hoodies, probably some more 2020 hoodies, I'm pretty sure. What else? Probably some more lit tees, lit hoodies. Probably the last of what they got in whatever sizes they got left, because I know a lot of that stuff had been popping back up on the website, but certain sizes wasn't there. It was only limited sizes. So just like they dropped the season 7 tees and the orange one, I know for sure as soon as I got on there, the double XL, actually I think the XL and double XL was already sold out. I'm assuming that's all they had was those sizes. So yeah, we'll see, man. I don't know what they dropping tonight though. So this is gonna be interesting. You already know I'm definitely gonna come back with another video, talk about that, whatever it is. So I don't know, what y'all think, man? Hit me up in the comments, let me know you think they got something new that we haven't seen already, cause I mean, what else do they got? Or do you think they just finna run it back? Typical drop, same stuff, different time. We'll see, man. Talk to me down in the comments, let me know. I got more videos on the way. I don't know what it is lately for some reason with me, bro. I guess I just forgot how to use my camera. So all my videos, I've been taking the footage off, like it be looking good through the screen, good through the monitor. It's all out of focus. So I might as well just wait till tomorrow, cause my 2020 hoodie will be here tomorrow. So I might as well just compile it all together, make one big haul video so you can see everything that I picked up recently. Not that I grabbed a lot of stuff, but Arepo Vision, man. You know, hey, I like Arepo Vision, bro. I like them. I'm definitely gonna spend some more bread with them. They do good business, bro. Like customer service. I don't know if I've been talking to like the owner or like a manager or just somebody that works there, bro, but the customer service has been crazy good, bro. They reached out to me about the jack. First of all, shout out to Arepo Vision because they be watching my videos. I definitely appreciate that, for one. But yeah, they reached out to me again, man. You know, the size with the jacket, they reached out to me, let me know they knew the size was off and whatnot. So they was gonna try to find me a new one. Unfortunately, he couldn't find another one in the warehouse in my size, but he is sending me another piece. So hey, it worked out in the end, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, that's awesome customer service. Arepo Vision, yeah, man, shout out to y'all, bro. Whoever I've been talking with through the DMs, man, shout out to you, bro. I appreciate y'all, and I'm definitely gonna spend some more chop with y'all for sure, cause I like the way they doing business. You know what I'm saying? Something happened, and they really like, and they going out their way to make it right. Like they ain't have to do none of this, you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day. But they like going out of their way to make it right for me, bro. So I would say, man, even with the little extra that they got on, you know what I'm saying, some of the items, just off the customer service alone, bro, hey, they winning in my book. So shout out to Arepo Vision, rocking with y'all forever. Let's get it. Other than that, man, your boy finna get on up out of here, man. I gotta, like I say, put all this stuff together, start getting things together for these next videos. Next week gonna be real hectic for me, bro. Like I got an extra little side hustle going on, so a lot of my time gonna be invested in that. I'm gonna try to find ways to create bear with me if I'm, you know what I'm saying, not consistent. I'm already not consistent, but bear with me if I become less consistent than I already am. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Make sure you hit that like button, man. Make sure you hit me up in the comment section, talk to your boy. Let me know you going for anything on Los Angeles Archive, or you done with them, you tired of it, you got all the Yeezy Gap you need. Most importantly, man, please show your support for an underground YouTuber trying to emerge by hitting that subscribe button, ringing that notification bell so you can lock in with all my new content. And yeah, man, you already know what it is with me. Peace, love, I'm gone.